We'll try and go across to Abhishek. Apologize for that. Samarth continues to be with us. Samarth, I was asking Abhishek that this also is going to be a big outreach yet again to farmers in this region, because the kind of projects, Samarth, that the Prime Minister is launching is going to benefit the farmers directly, isn't it?
देश का सम्मान और हम सब देशवासियों का सम्मान विश्व भर में बढ़ाया, हम सबको गौरवान्वित किया। ऐसे हम सब के नेता श्रद्धेय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी।
We'll go across to my colleagues Samarth and Abhishek in a bit from now, but these pictures on your screen are live from Mahoba in Uttar Pradesh, where the Prime Minister is in fact campaigning for the BJP. In the run-up to the UP elections next year, he's announcing a slew of projects that the Prime Minister is expected now to talk about when he, of course, starts his speech in a bit. But this has got to do with what projects that will, in fact, go a long way in mitigating the water crisis and also provide much-needed relief to farmers when it comes to this particular region, given that these are the key problems here in the region. Also, it's undoubtedly going to be an outreach to the farmers there, because it's going to benefit them and benefit the agriculturists in this particular region.
इस 22 महत्वपूर्ण परियोजना के लोकार्पण के अवसर पर आप सबको बधाई देता हूं, आप सबका अभिनंदन करना चाहता हूं।
And why does Bundelkhand really matter? Because it's going to in fact help the BJP gain foothold in this particular region where it has suffered in the past as well. And an outreach to farmers also, vis-a-vis the kind of projects the Prime Minister is now going to be announcing is going to benefit them directly. Will these measures essentially that have been announced, including the one today in terms of repealing farm laws, benefit farmers in totality and then translate into votes for the Saffron Party and give the incumbent government in Uttar Pradesh yet another chance, is something that remains to be seen. We'll in fact go across to Abhishek now, who is in fact at Mahoba, getting us all those details. Abhishek, the kind of projects the Prime Minister will be announcing will be benefiting the farmers directly, and hence this obviously is a direct outreach to farmers. We've seen the kind of moves the BJP has made today, the government has made today, and this obviously is keeping elections in mind.
The program today is very important in terms of what PM Narendra Modi is going to give away today to the people of Bundelkhand. The major crisis in Bundelkhand has always been about the irrigation, and today he's going to inaugurate a very important project worth 3,240 crores, through which now the problem for the irrigation water will be solved for almost 1.5 lakh farmers in Bundelkhand, directly benefiting the farmers from Mahoba, Banda, Hamipur and the adjoining areas. He's right now on the stage, and in a while he will be inaugurating this project, which is very important for the farmers, of course, yes, and for this whole belt, because Bundelkhand has always suffered the fate of negligence of the previous governments, and it has never been on much of the priority. It is a backward area of the state where we have seen how the farmers have to struggle, be it the stray cattle issue, be it the irrigation, be it the basic infrastructure. And that's the reason that today when PM Narendra Modi is here, he's going to inaugurate this particular project, which is indeed open a lot of opportunities for all these farmers as far as the water crisis and water management is concerned. That is the point one. The other thing is that electorally also, for the BJP, it has a major relevance. In the last 2017 election, this region has given 19 seats, and all these seats belong to BJP. So retain that stature, to retain that strength for the BJP is a very important aspect of today's rally. And when PM Narendra Modi will be here, he will be speaking about what the government has done. And it has become more significant with how today PM has announced to take these 3 farm laws back, which has been a major concern for the farmers and the agitators and the protests which has been happening at the borders, and which has primarily affected Western Uttar Pradesh and as well as other areas. In Bundelkhand also it has more significance, as the whole region is suffering the fate of water crisis and all those things. But it remains to be seen what PM Modi will say today, because it is the first rally just after that announcement, and he's here in Uttar Pradesh in Bundelkhand. After this, he will be going to Jhansi. So it is very important what he will deliver in his speech in terms of his vision for the farmers and what his first reaction after he has made the announcement of taking the 3 farm bills back, which has been a major point of discussion not only for the farmers but also for the opposition, who has been accusing the government of being negligent towards the farmers and their issues.
Yes, also, but Abhishek, the common refrain of the Prime Minister and the BJP has always been, especially in regions where the BJP is in power in the state government, that there is going to be double-engine growth and the focus is on development. And that seems to have worked in many parts of the country. I think the sense really is that this is something that the BJP is going to try its hands in again, isn't it?